Hi, welcome to this Pen Publishing Interactive Flipper Site Developer CMS tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to password protect a page using role-based permissions. Now, how would this be used in a real-life application? Let's say we're an organization that wants to create a page on our website where board members can log in to download various documents such as financials or meeting minutes. Now, before I dig deep into this tutorial, I want to show you a pre-made example I already created. So I created a page called Financials. I already have a role of board member in my system, and I already have a user assigned to that role. Her name is Jane Cash. Now I'm going to log in here as if I were a board member, and I have access now to all these documents that I only want board members to be able to view and access. So without further ado, let's get started. So if your website currently runs on Flipper Site Developer CMS, the following steps are going to look familiar. If your website does not run on Flipper Site Developer CMS and would like more information, visit our website at penpublishing.com for more information there. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to log in as an admin. And once I log in, I am going to show you the steps to create this. So I've already created a role called board member, and I already have a user, which you saw, Jane Cash is a board member. So I'm going to go to sections here, and I have another page called meeting minutes, which I want to only make available to board members. So I'm going to right click on here, I'm going to click security. Now when I get here, I have all these options. So right now this page is only viewable by global administrators. So no one else can see this page unless they're an admin. So what I want to do is I want to add the board member role to this page so the board members can access it. I'm going to go ahead and save this. Now I'm going to go and visit this page. And it's there. And that's it. I've locked this page out, and the only people that have this role can access it. So I'm going to test it now. And there it is. Now Jane has access to these documents. Now, one other thing I want to show you is, let's say we want board members to be able to collaborate on this page by adding documents, deleting documents, etc. Do you have other options on the screen to add? If I want board members to be able to add content, I'm gonna drag that over. Say I want them to be able to edit content. I edit that. I put that over there, and even delete content. I'm gonna go ahead and save this, and I'm gonna show you that real quick. So now I'm going to go to same page, meeting minutes, and I'm going to have to re-log in. Now, what happened after I did those settings? I have extra features here, so I can hit this little pencil button and say I want to change the title of this document to document 4, or if I want to replace this document, I can upload a new document there. If I want to change the description, etc. So I'm going to apply the changes, and now I'm going to go back here, and there it is. They're there. So it's just simple as that. Flipper Site Developer CMS has that functionality out of the box. So if you're trying to do this on your website, that's as easy as it gets. And if you want more information or have other questions, feel free to reach out to us. Again, visit our website at penpublishing.com. You can give us a call at 316-651-0551, or you just shoot us an email at sales@penpublishing.com, and we will be happy to help you. Thank you for watching this Pen Publishing Interactive Flipper Site Developer CMS, and until next time.